Hello data enthusiasts, and welcome back to the second episode of Data Analysis with AI. Have you ever wondered how to unlock deep insights from your data effortlessly? Today we're diving into the world of AI-driven data analysis with Gemini and Colab. We'll transform raw data into stunning visualizations and uncover fascinating trends and patterns, all with just a few simple prompts. If you're ready to see how AI can revolutionize your data analysis process, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. This is the second episode of our AI-driven data analysis series. If you missed the first episode, check it out to learn how we loaded and pre-processed the data using Gemini and Colab. Now let's continue with our data analysis. Now we're going to head over to Colab to start our analysis, but before doing that, don't forget to check out the handout available on GitHub for all the code and prompts used in this tutorial, so you can find the link in the description below. So let's go to Colab. And here I'm going to choose GitHub, and then here we are in GitHub repository, and this is the handout that I'm going to use. And let's copy the link and paste it here. Search for it. In this tutorial, we'll be using the same datasets, PISA dataset and economic dataset. So PISA dataset, as you remember from the first episode, it contains information on PISA test scores across various countries. And in the second dataset, which is economics dataset, which includes various economic indicators for the same countries and years. In the first episode, we loaded datasets and started the initial pre-processing, and let's quickly review the loading step again. We have the first dataset linked to the first dataset, which is a CSV file. It's also in our repo here. It's here, PISA, and the other one is here. And so we're loading here. And this is the second dataset. So basically what we're doing is we're reading it. And remember, in the first episode, we didn't have to write this code, but we just prompted and it gave automatically tell us what code snippet we need. And then so simply when you run this one, it will give us the first 5 and value, the test score. What we're going to do is we will start right now doing our analysis, and before starting visualization we need to do quickly a couple of things. And first we will rename some columns to avoid conflicts, okay? Such as in PISA dataset we want to rename location as country, time as year, and we did this before in the previous one, but in case you might not watch it, let me quickly do it. So basically what I do is here I can either write my code, or here I can prompt it. I type my prompt here and hit enter, and hopefully it will give me the code to do all these things. And let's check it out. So rename columns, location to country, time to year, value to test score, and in economics, country lowercase to uppercase, time to year, sex to gender. So when we run it, hopefully it's done. Now that we renamed our columns, and we can right now go ahead and merge the two data sets, and I'm going to use this prompt here, copy. one big data set, including all the columns from PISA dataset and economics dataset, and it's ready for visualization. To ensure that our data is consistent, we will change the data type and if necessary, and we'll handle any missing values in the test score column. All right, so we're going to use this prompt here, copy and paste it here. Okay, all right, let's so let's take a look at this code here. So this PD to numeric, all right, so and merge data test score. So errors course here handles any conversion errors. All right, so this fill NA here function fills any missing values with the mean value. All right, if there is any missing value, it's going to replace the missing value with a mean. All right, and after that we're going to check data type as well again. So let's run it. Great. Our test score column here is integer now. All right, and we handled missing values. Now we can move on to our analysis with various visualizations. All right, now it is time for visualizations. Okay, then the first one will be the distribution of test scores. So we'll be using this prompt. All right, let me copy and paste here. So, and we will start with the distribution of test scores and see if Gemini will give us the correct code snippet. Okay, it gave us already, and let's review the code. We're using Matplot and Seaborn libraries. Okay, it's going to be histogram. This is the figure size. It will be 10 by 6, and test scores are distributed. All right, that's perfect. Now we're going to move on the average test scores by country. All right, and I'm going to use this prompt here. All right, it's going to give us the in other way around. Let's modify the prompt. I would like countries in y-axis and test scores in countries being here. I want countries to be here on the left hand side. Let's run the prompt. Let's run the code. That's great. It's better. Maybe just one little tweak here. I'm gonna, you know what, I will make this true, ascending order. it will simply yeah, compare genders. So I love SNS Boxplot, especially it creates it highlights the differences in we can see education expenditure here, the percent of GDP and test score. All right, and next thing we're going to do, and we will have a pair plot for economic indicators and test score. All right, and here yeah, this us a clear visual of how economic indicators correlate with the test scores, right? We have a test score and their correlation, positive or negative correlation. So it's a very good way of visualizing the relations between those variables. And now how about we compare our data from multiple perspectives. That's it for the part 2 of our tutorial on AI-driven data analysis using Gemini and Colab. We've covered a lot and created some exciting visualizations, all with the help of AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Thanks for watching and